Hello and welcome to this overview of the RS Pro IDS-200 and 300 series compact digital storage oscilloscope and digital multimeter. The RS Pro IDS-200 and 300 series digital oscilloscopes are nice compact touchscreen oscilloscopes with a built-in digital multimeter. The product range includes 70 MHz, 100 MHz and 200 MHz oscilloscopes. The RS Pro IDS-207 oscilloscope is provided with the following accessories: a set of multimeter test leads with nice sharp test probes, a set of passive test probes for the oscilloscope, an AC adapter to run and charge the internal battery, a large carry case to carry the oscilloscope and all the accessories, a separate carry sleeve made of neoprene to protect the oscilloscope, a carry strap for the accessory case, a separate carry strap which screws into a tripod mount either at the bottom or the top of the oscilloscope to make it easy to carry, a quick start guide that comes in several international languages, and a CD which has both a quick start guide, a detailed user manual, and software which will allow you to remotely access the data from the oscilloscope. The RS Pro IDS-200 and 300 series range of oscilloscopes comprise of the following models. The IDS-200 series have a bandwidth of between 70 and 200 MHz and have a memory depth of 1 million points per channel. The digital multimeter resolution is 3.5 digits. The IDS-300 range of oscilloscopes go from 70 to 200 MHz but have a memory depth of 5 million points per channel and a digital multimeter resolution of 4.5 digits and can do temperature measurement. Each of these ranges can do 30,000 waveforms, which can be buffered and replayed for later analysis. The features include a simultaneous digital multimeter and digital oscilloscope operation. The oscilloscope can be operated in both portrait and landscape modes. It has a large TFT capacitive touch panel. The internal battery can operate the scope for up to 4 hours. Taking a look at the physical layout of the RS Pro IDS-200 series oscilloscopes, on the front we have the input for the multimeter. The rest of the device has a large, nice TFT display. On the side we have a test signal output, USB device, and the DC input for the running of the device and charging of the internal battery. Then we have the power on/off switch. At the top we have the two oscilloscope channel inputs and the tripod stud, which can be used for the optional carry strap. The bottom of the device also has a tripod mount for the carry strap. The back of the device has a port so you can lock it to the bench. It has a stand system which allows you to stand the device upright, in a portrait position, or on its side in a landscape position. These simply pull out and allow you to position the oscilloscope as you'd like to have it on your bench. This is the scope in the portrait position, and this is the scope in the landscape position. The RS Pro IDS-207 provides a nice, large, crisp, high contrast display. In the portrait mode, the layout of the display allows the oscilloscope signal in the top half of the screen, and then any measurements and the digital multimeter function in the lower half of the screen. We can acquire a signal by using the auto set, which will then display the signal that we have input to the oscilloscope. If you wish to change the orientation, you simply touch the top to enter the menu system, which will give you access to the utilities and settings as well as the applications. To change the orientation, merely select the orientation button in the top right hand corner. This allows you to work in landscape mode and gives you a broader view of the signal. To return to the signal, merely touch the screen below the menu. To remove the measurement display and provide a full view of the signal, merely touch the measure screen, which will give you access to a far wider view of your signal of interest. You can directly interact with the signal by touching the front screen. Here I'm changing the trigger level. Using pinch and zoom I can control the vertical and horizontal controls of the signal. You also have the option to use a menu system at the bottom of the display. I have electronic controls to control the vertical settings or the horizontal time base. Each of these menus have further options in the top left-hand corner. These will bring up more options to control your signal that you're looking at. In this case, we'll go to the trigger option. We have our basic controls for controlling the trigger level, or we can select from a host of options including the source, coupling, slope, level and hold off. The RS Pro IDS-200 and 300 series have several built-in applications. These can be accessed via the main menu system. Touch the top of the display and you can access from utility setups, acquisition, display, whether you save or recall settings. You can bring up the digital multimeter, which provides you with several measurement options including resistance, diode test and continuity. If you click across to the applications, you'll find that you've got a built-in calculator, attenuation calculator, a clever resistor calculator which will allow you to insert the colors of a resistor of interest and you can calculate the given resistance. It does this for through-hole components and SMD. It also has an advanced DMM. The advanced DMM application allows you to easily select a measurement function. Once you have your measurement function of choice, you have a trend graph which will show you your measurement over time. As your measurement varies, you'll have an update on the digital display which will give you a maximum and a minimum reading, as well as showing you a trend. The application allows you to change the time base anywhere from 40 seconds to up to 6 hours. If we go to 3 minutes, this will then allow us to view a 3-minute time base in our trend graph. Thanks very much for watching this overview of the RS Pro IDS-207 Digital Storage Oscilloscope. For more information on this product, please visit rspro.com.